This is a new design. We put the air compressor inside the machine cabinet, so you can save space and the machine would be clean environment. And this is a exhaust fan. This is the two pipers for the sealed table, and two exhaust fan out. Two exhaust fan. Those two, one is 75 watt, double is 150 watt, and the chiller is also inside the machine. This chiller is customer made S&A brand, top brand, China top brand, 5200 model. It's custom made to seal our machine cabinet.